Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to set Duress Mode in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First, launch open the application on a device and log in using your credentials. After that, go to the Settings tab, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, find the section labeled as Security. Click on it. Here you can see Set Duress Mode, which is a specialized mode designed to keep selected wallet safe under coercion. Click on it and enter your passcode. After that, click on Continue button. Here, select the wallet that will be displayed in Duress Mode. And click on Next button. After that, set a passcode for Duress Mode. It should be different from your account password. Now confirm it by typing it again. So that is how you can set Duress Mode in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.